So I was sent a video featuring this pit bull named Rainstorm Pit. And it always makes me laugh seeing this dog and his dog mom being pampered and how the Hemotionals are having mantrums in her comment section or in the comment section because this woman has the nerve to pamper her dog, her own pet, and not a man. So I went to their TikTok page and she's just so happy and just pampers this dog. Look at this smile. So the dog mom and the pit bull Rainstorm, just they're in their matching robes. They're in a clean kitchen. She is about to cook a steak for her dog baby. And Miss Ma'am is dragging that wagon. Yes, she is. But let's get into some of the comments and we can all laugh together. Probably don't even treat her man that good. She needs a man because this is too much. It's giving never had anyone cater to you. How on earth did you ever come to that conclusion? Your response proves my point, making the connection to the care this woman shows this dog to my apparent lack of care I receive from a woman is testament to the fact that this is not normal. It's not normal to care so much about what this woman is doing with her own dog. Dogs keep women single. Dogs. They are so jealous of this dog. It is hilarious. Shout out to that sister. She have to be single because ain't no way in hell my old lady doing this stuff. God bless their union. He's implying that she is with the dog. And several people are chiming in to act like she is really doing something nefarious with her dog because she loves and cares for her pets. But the next comment says, I think she has a girlfriend because you have to bring that up because what for whatever reason these dudes simply go to she's just missing out on a man, assuming that everybody is straight and is looking for a man. LOL, the amount of people concerned about her relationship status or if she's feeding a man or children like that. And then King Vibe says, right, it's obvious she's lonely. They can tell that she's lonely because she is feeding her dog and pampering her dog. Journey to Jasmine responds with, or she realizes y'all lack brain cells and is a lesbian. No need to debate. I'm correct. This woman is into women and not going to be feeding a man regardless of how well she treats her dog. These men will forever miss out on this because she's not feeding a man regardless. So more emotionals. Telling other dogs he's a high value pet. Her man was like, it's me or the dog, because once again, assuming she's into men. The next person, single as a dollar bill. They just stay with the assumptions. At least the next person thinks that it's crazy that they are jealous of a dog. This next person, how much y'all want to bet she's single and obese, plus a single independent woman? The next person says, she's actually not, but pretty sure you are. And if you're not getting a bottom of the barrel picking. And then the next person says, she's actually fine as hell and thick, also likes women. So you earthworms haven't got a snowball's chance in hell. So yes, I just want to remind us all, hold please, that homegirl is thicker than the Snicker. And this is probably why the men's are mad because she's thicker than the Snicker and she's not here for the labor of men. She is here not being a servant to some man, and she is giving all of that pampering to her pet that she decided that she would choose over somebody's son. Anyways, y'all go ahead, laugh with me because I'm truly tickled at this situation. Let me know what you think of it. Like, comment. Look at this dog mom's morning routine. She cleans his coat. She cleans him up real good with some wipes. She takes a toothbrush and cleans his teeth, getting his gums real good, getting his tongue real good. He gets brushed and groomed. He looks so loved on. Look at this dog. And then she takes some time to moisturize his face. I think that was coconut oil, cleaning up his coat. His coat looks so healthy and shiny. Then she takes the shea butter and rubs it in. This dog is, oh my gosh, wouldn't this is the reason why the Hemotionals are so mad. Then the dog gets dressed as he waits for his dog mom to prep his breakfast. This dog is so loved. And I can see why the Hemotionals are mad because they can't get anyone to even come by and bring them a sandwich. Jump in the comments and let me know how you feel about this dog mom being loved on this much by this pretty lady.